Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my student Wasim with me, who's on his driving lessons and he's got a test coming up soon. So we're going through a little bit of everything and we're going to be showing him a left forward bay park that the test people are using these days, and it's a bit of an intensive car park, this one, and it also has a barrier at the end which my pupils are finding very difficult. And on top of all of that, it's also a downhill slope. Now we've come to this car park and we've done the forward right bay, which was absolutely excellent. We're in the box and everything, and we're about to drive off from here and just look at this forward left bay, because they do give you an option to do either forward right bay park or forward left bay park. Now, as you know, the forward right bay park is a little bit easier. The left bay park is not hard, but it's different, and it varies on car park to car park. Certain car parks are easier and certain car parks are harder. This car park that we're going to go next to is quite a difficult one, and they do choose this on the test route. We're gonna go look at it and see how it is. Now Wasim is normally okay with the forward right bay park. He's done a few left bay parks and he's okay with the reverse bay park also. But the forward right left bay car park in this particular car park, I want to show him it and introduce it to him because it's a little bit harder. So we're gonna go and look at that, Wasim. Yeah, when you're ready, we're gonna drive off from here. At the end of the road, you're going left, and then you're gonna continue ahead at the lights. Okay? Okay. Right. Nice sunny day today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So if you move forward, I'll say good lad. We're turning left there.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep going, and we're going to follow the road ahead. Just following it ahead now, please. Just goes ahead. That is a one-way street up ahead, okay? So you're just in here, and then we're going ahead. If you cancel that signal, that's it. You don't have the signal to go there.
Yeah.
You're just following the road ahead. And then that one is a one-way street. So, see, you been busy?
Yeah.
Okay.
What can I be?
Yeah, okay, go on, carry on. You gotta watch out for these pedestrians here. Okay. It's a little bit of a town centre this, that's fine. Off you go, keep going. You can stay in that lower gate, it's a small area. And plus we're almost about to turn left into a car park. I'm gonna show you where it is. There is two roads there on the left. The first one we're not gonna take. You're gonna approach the pedestrian crossing and we're turning left, and we're gonna go into this car park, okay? So the car park you see up ahead is the one we want. Don't indicate yet, please. Can you see the road before? We don't want that one. And then now you may signal and just keep the car slow, keep a little bit out, dip the clutch, and just be careful of the pedestrians. Keep rolling forward so you're not on the crossing, please. Can you see the person behind us? So if you roll slowly, that's fine, and then pause for this pedestrian here, and then keep slow. I want you to follow it around to the left. So every car park you've got to be careful about pedestrians, because obviously they come out of their cars, they're walking around. This one particularly, people use it as a shortcut for walking. They come over, and we're going to follow it around. Take your time. I'm going to position you up for the left bay a little bit further on, please. So if you can travel all the way to the far side there, past the black BMW vehicle there, and keep high up to the right. Just be careful of the drivers there, they do come in from there. So pause here, please. Okay, so Wasim, you've got all these bays on the left, and you can see they're downhill slopes. Okay, now you know, a left bay is basically the opposite of the right bay, right? So you're still doing the mirror signal. You remember the reference point I gave you for the right bay on the door there? I still choose to use that reference. The secret is to stay a bit away so you can nicely drive into it. So if you pick one and then drive into it, signal left. I always tell people, don't pick the immediate two, pick the third one on. Okay, take your time, let the line come to about here, slow down, stop. So once you match the reference, make an effort of stopping. You're not rushing that way, and you know it's a downhill slope. Okay, if you turn into that one and go forward, and if you feel the turns early, okay, you can take a little bit off, just a fraction, let the car move forward. This is also another technique, and then re-put it all back onto me. Good. And then as you roll in, keep the car slow, and the idea is not to reach the barrier as much, yeah? Little tiny bit forward, and that will do. Straighten the wheel, go okay, neutral, and relax there for a minute. Now it's absolutely in the way. Okay, now this car park was they, when you drive into it on a test, they offer you a choice. They will ask you to either go to the left and do a left bay, or they will ask you to do a right bay. The choice is yours. If you're doing a right bay, you would turn to the right and go around the other way of the car park. Normally this car park's quite busy, right? So personally I don't think they should be using it, but they do use it. If you come to do a right way here, and for talking sake you're on this slope, it doesn't get in properly, you would have to reverse back again, and then you have all the vehicles there that you have to be watching out for. So this look in the back that you just did now is excellent. Yeah. However, if you do come and do the left forward bay, this particular bay that we've done now, it's better for you to do it on this side, and it's better